Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English GlowMind.
Hello, Sarah. Great to be here again. Hi, everyone.
Today, we have a really wonderful topic. David, are you ready?
I am so ready. I love this one.
Today, we are talking about how to talk about your family in English.
Yes, and this is one of the first things people ask you in English. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Tell me about your family.
Exactly. And if you do not know how to answer, it can feel very uncomfortable.
So today we are going to make it easy and natural.
Before we start, if you are new here, please subscribe to English GlowMind and give this video a like. It really helps us.
Okay, so Sarah, why do you think this topic is hard for beginners?
Well, I think a lot of learners know the basic words like mother, father, brother, sister, but they don't know how to put them into real sentences.
That is so true. They know the vocabulary, but they freeze when someone asks a real question.
Right, like they know the word sister, but they don't know how to say, my sister is older than me, or we are very close.
Exactly. So today we will take those basic words and turn them into real, natural English.
Perfect. Okay, David, let's start simple. How do you introduce a family member to someone?
Great question. The most natural way is to say, "This is my mother," or "This is my brother Tom."
Oh, I like that. Simple and clear.
Yes, you can also say, "Let me introduce you to my sister." That sounds very natural in English.
Let me introduce you to my sister. I love that phrase. It sounds so polite and friendly.
Right, and you can use it at a party, at school, anywhere. Let me introduce you to my cousin Maria.
So, two phrases. This is my and let me introduce you to my. Both are very useful.
Exactly. Simple and natural.
Okay, next, what about describing family members? Like what they look like?
Yes. So in English, we say, "She looks like our mother," or "He looks like his dad."
Oh, so looks like means they have a similar appearance.
Yes, and there's another great phrase. "He takes after his father." That means he looks like his father or has the same personality.
Oh, I love that one. She takes after her grandmother. It sounds so natural.
Exactly. My little nephew takes after me. Everyone says we have the same smile.
Oh, that is so cute, David.
Thank you. I am very proud of that.
Okay, so looks like for appearance and takes after for appearance or personality. Got it.
And you can combine them. My brother takes after my dad. They both love football and they both have big ears.
That is so funny. Okay, what about talking about age? Like who is older or younger?
Right. So we say, "My sister is older than me," or "I'm the youngest in my family."
Oh, I'm the youngest. And if you're the oldest, you say, I'm the oldest in my family.
Yes, and if you're in the middle, you say, "I'm the middle child." And middle children always say they're forgotten.
David, are you a middle child?
I am, and yes, completely forgotten. Just kidding. Just a little bit.
Oh no, poor David. Okay, everyone, be nice to your middle siblings.
Okay, next let's talk about how to describe your relationship with your family. Are you close?
Oh yes, this is so important. How do you say that in English?
You say, "We're very close." That means you have a strong, loving relationship.
We are very close. I love that. And what if the relationship is not so close?
You can say, "We don't see each other very often," or "We're not very close, but we love each other."
Oh, that is honest and natural. We don't see each other very often, but we always have fun when we do.
Perfect sentence, Sarah.
Thank you. I learned from the best.
Okay, let's talk about what family members do, like their jobs or hobbies.
Yes, so how do we talk about that naturally?
You say, "My father works as a teacher," or "My mother is a nurse." Very simple.
And for hobbies? Like, my brother loves football.
Exactly. "My sister loves cooking," or "My grandfather is really into gardening." Really into means they love it a lot.
Oh, really into. That sounds so natural. My dad is really into old movies. He watches them every weekend.
That is so sweet. My mom is really into baking. Our house always smells amazing.
Oh, I want to come to your mom's house.
She would love that.
Okay, what about asking someone about their family, like in a conversation?
Great point. The most natural question is, do you have any brothers or sisters?
And you can also ask, are you close with your family? Or what is your family like?
Yes, what is your family like is a beautiful open question. It gives the other person space to share.
I love that. And it sounds so warm and interested.
Right. People love talking about their families. Ask that question and they'll talk for an hour.
That is so true. Okay, so now let's do some practical tips. David, when should people use these phrases in real life?
Okay, great. So, first, at a party or social event, when you meet someone new, after small talk, you can ask, do you have any brothers or sisters? It keeps the conversation going. Second, at work or school, if someone has a photo on their desk, you can say, is that your family? What are they like? Very friendly and natural. Third, when you meet a friend's family, you can say, let me introduce you to my mother, or point to a photo and say, this is my sister. She looks just like me. And fourth, on social media, when you post a family photo, you can write, this is my family. We're very close, or my little brother takes after our dad. People love those captions.
Those are such good tips. Real situations, real English.
That's the goal.
Okay, everyone, let's wrap up. Today, we learned how to introduce family members. This is my, and let me introduce you to my.
We learned how to describe them. She looks like, and he takes after.
We talked about age, like I'm the oldest and I'm the youngest.
And we learned about how to talk about relationships. We're very close, and we don't see each other very often.
So much good English today.
And remember, the best way to learn is to practice. So here's your question for the comments.
Tell us about one person in your family. Who are they? What do they look like? What do they love to do?
Here are 2 examples to help you. You can write, my older brother takes after my dad. He's very tall and loves basketball.
Or you can write, I'm the youngest in my family. My sister and I are very close.
We read every comment. We love hearing about your families.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to English GlowMind.
New lessons every week. We'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye and keep glowing.